Hi everybody, welcome to week 4 of online learning for your Math 180 class. Great jobs with the first 3 weeks. We're going to keep this ball rolling. All right, this week you will have 2 assignments like normal where you will go in, there'll be an instructional video, it's going to be some recap. You're going to be dividing with array models again, except this week we're going to be adding in the remainders. Okay, so we're going to be making equal groups and then finding what the remainders are as well. Okay, on Wednesday at 1 o'clock, there's going to be a link that says Google Meeting. We're going to meet again as a whole class, and we're going to do some practicing with fractions. Okay, so make sure you can make it to that if you can. Bring questions about fractions if you have them. Remember to be appropriate in the Google Meeting. Okay, you will also have to do 40 minutes, that's 40 minutes of Math 180 app this week. You don't have to do it all in one sitting. You can break it up and do 10 minutes here and 10 minutes there and so on. You don't have to do all 40 minutes in one sitting. Okay? All right. If you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. You can send me a Schoology message, a FaceTime request, a Google Hangout, or a phone call if you have any questions. All right. Good luck this week.